咁佢咧就話咧，喺呢個嘅古代嘅示羅咧，就而家呢5隻紅母牛咧，就係佢哋係即係喺度養緊啦。咁佢話咧，已經係2000年啊，以色列咧係未有過紅母牛合資格咧喺佢哋以色列嘅土地，但係現在咧居然有5隻喺嗰度。咁2隻咧就正如頭先所講啦，已經係被即係摟咗啦，因為有瑕疵啦。咁但係你要做頭先牧師所講嗰個嘅獻祭咧，佢只係需要1隻嘅啫。
Are set, and officials are confirming that it's going to happen soon. Now, I will reveal to you when they are planning to hold this ceremony. Reports are indicating that this most prophetically significant ceremony could take place during the Passover feast in 2025. Passover, Pesach in Jerusalem, and throughout the Jewish world, will begin on the evening of April 12th and end on the evening of April 20th. So the question is it really going to happen in April 2025?
咁佢就話啦，咁佢話咁嗱，呢日5隻嘅紅母牛喺度啦，有2隻即係被摟出去啦。咁但係佢就話究竟係咪真係會今年2025年會發生咧？真係殺呢隻紅母牛去獻祭咧？咁佢話咧就有即係資料啊，即係嗰啲情報咧，就話今年嘅逾越節就會獻呢個紅母牛。咁今年嘅逾越節係幾時咧？就係4月12號開始，直至到咧4月20號，因為我哋係有8日嘅嗰個嘅除酵節啦。咁所以4月12號嗰日就係逾越節咧，佢就話咧就係會獻呢一個嘅紅母牛嘅。
We don't know the exact timing, but we cannot deny or ignore the signs and the preparations underway, because this is not a dream. It's happening now, and many other major events support these claims.
咁佢咧就話咧，但係佢講嗱，佢一方面咧就講佢話有啲報告咧就話係將會係4月12號今年嘅逾越節去獻紅母牛。咁但係佢另外同一時間佢又講話我都唔能夠確實肯定係咪真係今年會獻。咁所以呢個只係有啲報告出咗嚟，即係佢收料啦，就咁講。咁佢話咧，但係咧其實有另外其他嘅嗰啲嘅徵兆啊，去講俾我哋聽咧，係而家距離獻紅母牛，即係意思即係話建立第3正殿咧係非常之近嘅。咁嗰啲係咩嘅徵兆咧？佢會講啦。
Including the shaking currently taking place in the Vatican, Israel, the Middle East, and even the USA, although the USA is not specifically mentioned in the Bible. We know that as a superpower, and with President Trump's involvement, it plays a crucial role in these events.
咁佢話，咁現在咧係有個震盪啊，喺唔同嘅地方發生緊嘅。咁例如係 Vatican， 即係嗰個嘅梵蒂岡啦，喺以色列啦，喺中東啦，同埋美國㗎。佢話雖然美國咧喺聖經嘅裏面咧係冇提及到呢一個嘅國家，咁但係佢知道咧就係話呢一個強國啊，超強嘅國家，同埋特朗普總統喺呢一個嘅項目建立第3聖殿呢一個佢所擔當嗰個嘅重要角色咧，話俾我哋聽咧，我哋而家企喺其實係一個嘅先知性嗰個嘅時間嘅裏面咧，係一個嘅好關鍵嘅時刻。
Folks, we are standing at the edge of the most prophetic timeline in human history. The puzzle pieces are falling into place one by one, and yet the world remains asleep. But you, the chosen, the watchman, the faithful remnant, you see it. You discern the hour. You understand that what is unfolding before our eyes is not just another political event, not just another conflict in the Middle East, but the fulfillment of prophecy that was written thousands of years ago. Look around you. There is an acceleration in events, an urgency that cannot be ignored.
OK， 咁咧佢咧就話咧就佢話即係各位啦，我哋而家係站喺咧一個嘅先知性喺人類歷史嘅裏面咧一個嘅時刻嘅。咁佢話呢一啲嘅 好似嗰個砌圖嘅每一塊咧，係慢慢係埋緊位嘅。咁但係咧好奇怪嘅咧就係、亦都好不幸咧，就係、全球咧好多人咧都好似瞓着咗咁樣。咁但係你作為神所揀選嘅嘅守望者，一班係忠心嘅餘民咧，你其實係知道呢一個嘅時刻嘅。你係睇到咧，而家你眼前不斷係顯現緊嗰啲嘅事情咧，唔係淨係一個嘅另外一個嘅political， 即係政治上一啲發生嘅嘢啦。喺無論中東啊，但係咧係一個嘅係而家係一個應驗緊啊聖經嘅裏面嗰啲嘅預言嚇，呢啲嘅預言咧係喺幾千年前咧已經係講緊㗎啦嚇。咁你都睇到咧，呢啲事件咧係不斷咁加速緊啊喺我哋嘅眼前，係令到我哋咧係唔能夠咧係當係睇唔到嘅。
The economic collapse that has begun is not just a coincidence. The wars and rumors of wars, the deception, the increasing lawlessness, the shaking of world powers, these are the labor pains that Jesus himself spoke of.
咁呢一個嘅全球嘅經濟嘅崩潰啦，呢個唔係一個嘅偶然嘅，我哋聽到就見到打仗啦，或者戰爭將會係另外啲戰爭可能會發生啦，同埋呢啲嘅好多嘅嗰啲嘅deception 啊，嗰啲嘅欺騙啊，同埋咧你見到有好多嗰啲嘅非法嘅事喺地球裏面發生緊咧，係震動緊啊震動緊即係個地啦。咁呢個咧就好似耶穌佢自己所講咧嗰個嘅一個嘅產難嘅時候嗰個嘅疼痛嚇。咁而呢一個嘅疼痛嘅完咗之後會發生啲咩事咧？就係會產生一個嘅新嘅王國。咁而呢個新嘅王國咧就係喺呢個嘅大災難之OK 嗱，即係新嘅王國，再聽下佢講咩先。
And what comes at the end of labor? Pains, birth, a new era, a new kingdom, and before that, the great tribulation. Now.
咁佢就話係啦，咁佢話呢一個嘅疼痛，呢一個嘅產難嘅時候嘅疼痛，去到最尾會有啲咩事情發生咧？就係一個嘅新嘅世代同埋新嘅王國。但係呢個新嘅世代同埋新嘅王國未出現之前咧，係會有一個嘅大災難。
I want you to think about this. Why is Israel rushing to prepare everything for their so-called Messiah? Why are they so confident that his arrival is imminent? Why is there a sudden global push toward a one-world government, a one-world government, a one-world currency, and even a one-world currency? Because they are not preparing for the true Messiah, Jesus Christ, the King of Kings.
咁佢話：我想大家諗下就係點解以色列係會推動緊，準備晒所有嘢迎接佢哋呢一個所謂嘅彌賽亞咧？點解佢哋咁肯定呢一位彌賽亞嗰個嘅來臨係好快咧？點解突然間全球會有推動向住一個嘅一體嘅管制全球嘅一個嘅貨幣點解佢哋會咁樣做？因為咧佢哋唔係真係預備緊迎接嗰個嘅真正嘅彌賽亞耶穌基督萬王之王。
No, they are preparing for the false one. The Antichrist. This is not speculation. The Bible has told us that before the true Messiah returns, the world will first accept a counterfeit, a deceiver who will come in his own name. He will promise peace, but it will be a false peace. But it will be a false peace. He will perform miracles, but they will be deceptive signs and wonders. He will unite the nations, but it will be under the power of Satan himself and folk.
咁佢話咧，因為咧，其實 佢哋唔係真係預備緊俾一個嘅真正嘅彌賽亞，其實佢預備緊一個假，一個係敵基督嚇。聖經咧同我哋講過咧，就係話真正嘅彌賽亞翻嚟之前，就會有一個嘅假嘅一個嘅欺騙者出咗嚟嚇，佢會用高舉佢自己嘅名啦嚇，佢會去承諾一個嘅和平，但係呢個係一個假嘅和平，佢會做出一啲嘅神蹟出嚟，但係呢一啲咧係嘅神蹟咧，只會咧係欺騙咗世界嘅人嘅，佢會將列國咧係連埋一齊啦。但係呢一個嘅能力能夠將列國去合埋一齊、連結埋一齊咧，係背後咧係撒旦。